What are you filming? No, I pay you to film me, not film my phone filming me. Right, here we go. Arlon. This is the colour, not white, it's in the box. That is going on the Porsche. Full colour change. Shuts, returns, under the bonnet, under the targa top. Everywhere you can think of that is blue is being wrapped. This colour. We're going to strip it apart, we're going to get some doors off, do some time lapses, but in the meantime, let's go and show you what colour it is going. Gah! It's heavy. Oh, that was good. Oh. We're nearly in. Let's get a knife. Don't need a knife. Ramsey's scared. It's not gold. I'm either getting old and weak, or this stuff's getting heavier. It is green. It's like a deep metallic green. What's this? Instructions. Forgot to mention, it's also having Steck Dyno Top windscreen or windshield protection as well. These screens, like any expensive premium car, or actually any car nowadays, windscreens are ludicrous money. Why not spend an extra chunk of wedge to protect your screen? It's a cheaper chunk of wedge than a new screen would cost you as well. So red light, what does that mean? We've got red light, not a green light. Who's left it on? Something I've started doing, especially with new cars, I got caught out on an Aston Martin the other day. You take it all apart and then you go to clear the fault codes when you put it back together, and because the manufacturers are being so strict nowadays, the scanners, the aftermarket scanners, don't read the cars. So you have to go back to dealer to clear all the fault codes. So something I do now is I scan every car before it comes in to make sure there's no codes, or if there is codes, we document what codes there are. That way, when we put it all back together, we know what it is. And also, it shows us whether we can actually get into the car. We're scanning, we're going to document the fault codes if there is any. That way, when we put it all back together, we know that we didn't break something. Where is it on a Porsche? Don't film my ass. I need a torch. Oh, hang on. Is it in here on a Porsche? No, not in there. Ah, there it is. The bright purple plug. Turn it back off. Turn it back on. Ah, there we go. Now we're in. We know that we can read it. How many DTCs do you think are in it?
4.
4? 6. 6 DTCs, that's what I'm guessing. Oh, we got 2, and we're 31%. 4, 7, 11. I was going to say 12, and I thought that was a bit strong. 13 DTCs. And look at that, they're all just comms. Nothing to worry about, nothing to worry about. Okay, so the good news is we can get into it, and there's no major codes. So we'll clear all those for the customer at the end. For the minute, we know that there's 13 DTCs, so when we put it back together, we'll probably have a lot more than that, but once we clear all of our DTCs, if there's still 13 left, we know that wasn't us. Top banana. Check strap. What's the check strap? What does that do?
The thing that makes the door come back and eat your machine sometimes.
Before I take the hinges off, it's so easy to take a whole door off. You wouldn't think how quick it is. It's easier to take a door off than it is to change an air filter. They make things really, really well. Here you go, I'm backpedaling now. I need torch. Big wheel, go and find torch. Ah, there we go. Yeah, one bit of trim. There's a lot of clips on that. Now, oh, there it is. Why have they done it that way? I suppose it's quite clever because the harness is just there. And a big rubber bung. Door card off. These are easy to get off as well. I can't get this out. I said this was easy. Now I've shot myself in the foot. God, that's tight. Someone's been in there. Why don't you get a longer one, mate? I could stand back here. Yeah, I told you. What did I say? And then behind here, that pops out of there like that. That is the carbler cable for that. And then in here is a little rubber bung, and then we can see if we need to put the window up or down to get the bolt out. I think it stays down. Hello? Yes, it does. Right. Window is in the good position. Door card. We are now undoing the connector for the door mirror. Push that in there, pull that out of there. Keep going. Oh, ooh la la. Oh, bon chéri, qu'est-ce que c'est, de flip, de flop. I could probably get me electric ratchet out, but I'm here now, and I'm doing it by hand. Can you get my electric quarter drive ratchet, please, William? Oh. There we go, right. 2 connectors. Oh my, there you go. have to put all these back in. All these tiny little green clips, which Will took out, and then has left me to put them back in. One by one, not two at a time. Oh, talking of two at a time, cream egg season soon, isn't it? How do you like yours? I'm not doing the gra bit. Nothing better than the reassuring sound of a clip going in its home. I'm doing the rear quarter and the door shut in one piece. Well, no, almost one piece. I'm not going to do round the hinges and stuff in the same piece. I can do, but why should I? Why should I do it? I don't need to prove to myself that I can do it. Done that before. Time versus money. We are a business. And besides, Porsche didn't even make it in one piece. If they can put a weld and a silicone line on there, I can put a joint in it. So that's what I'm going to do. Don't write in the comments, let's see you do the next one in one piece, because it ain't going to happen. Don't need to. There's a joint there for a reason. Let's put another one on top. Targa is the secret word for this YouTube video. Finished in Arlon Stealth Metallic Green, I believe it is. Shuts, returns, under the bonnet, under the targa top, inside the spoiler, here, there and everywhere. Probably one of the, if not the most extensive colour change that we've actually ever done. And then also forgot to mention, it's had Geon ceramic coat. So we've used Geon base type 2, I always get these the wrong way around. And it's also had top coat as well. So it's had a multi-layer ceramic coat. Really enhances the colour and is going to make the maintenance for the customer easy. Come in, have a look, have a walk round, and let us know in the comments what you think. And thanks for watching this one. Remember to like, subscribe, do all the things you need to do, and on to the next one.
I'm only here for the party. Trust me, we're just getting started. The sound, the vibe, I feel so alive. You're only here for the party. I might just get what I wanted. The sound, the vibe, I feel so alive.